we going to start a new topic and the name is BODMAS. Why and when we are going to use this topic? This has been used to solve any kind of numerical expressions. When we solve the numerical expression, then there may be any signs, any operations. You can see subtraction, division, addition, subtraction, again there is multiplication, and one more, that is off. So there are different kind of operations between the numbers given. And if we want to solve it, so what we need to do first, either division or off or plus or subtraction. So to solve this numerical expression, we have certain conventions, certain rules to follow, that how to solve. So first is we need to proceed from left to right, means always we look for the expression left to right. Then there is an order of working, that what we need to solve first. So first order is solving brackets. You can see here the brackets are given, means whatever it is given in the brackets we have to solve it first. And when you are solving the bracket, and suppose not only a single bracket, it can be many brackets, there is a certain order to solve the brackets as well. Like there are 4 types of bracket. First is, we can say bar or vinculum. Its name is bar or vinculum. Second is small bracket, and third one is curly bracket. Fourth one is this, which is a square bracket. So if all the bracket or some brackets are there in the expression, we follow this order. Okay, first we need to solve vinculum, then small bracket, then curly, and then square bracket. So after solving all these brackets, the next operation comes is off. What is off? Off means, you can see here also written 12 of 3. It means 12 sets of 3. Okay, 3 plus 3 plus 3, you can write it in 12 times and you can solve it. It is nothing just equals to 12 when we multiply 12 into 3. It's 12 and 3 if we multiply, we'll get the same answer. But it's a separate operator. You cannot write like this. When you're going to do the second step, you need not write 12 multiplied by 3. You have to solve it in your mind, because you know that 12 of 3 means 12 sets of 3, 12 times 3. Then you can consider there are 3 things, okay, any 3 things, and there are 12 groups like that. So what will you do to solve? You always do 12 multiplied by 3 and you can get your answer. Why we are not changing it into multiplication? We have to do this thing in your mind only. We have to do in our mind only. We need not show the multiplication, because you can see here operator of have a different position in following the order than the multiplication. Okay, because of is done first and then later on it comes division. So before division you have to solve it. But if you do it multiply, then its order will be next to division, which we need not to do, which will be wrong. And in your class, of is, we are solving just of in this meaning only, which I have told. But in later on classes, this operator stands for order also. So order is something else that you learn on senior classes. I can just give you an example. Order means like 3, 5. It can be exponents as well. 3 to the power 5. It's an order and we need to solve it. What does it mean? 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 5 times. But this type of question you will not get in your class. Okay, so that's why we cannot change it into multiplication. Okay, it is exponent you will do in next senior classes. So this is of, as I told you the meaning. After that, the next term comes of division. When you solve of, then you can solve the division, then multiplication, okay, then addition, and then subtraction. So this order you need to follow while solving any given numerical expression. And this is the order of brackets. Now, to understand more, I am solving this question in front of you, that how we are actually solving the BODMAS questions. The first question is this, and let me solve it. First of all, you can see here the bracket is present, but here what type of bracket is this? Is only one type of bracket, that is small. So no choice to follow others. I am solving only this bracket. So 60 minus 32. What will we get? This is 28. Always keep the thing in mind while solving. You just solve one thing and rest all things you need to write as it is. Now, in this step you can look for that which step you solve first. Here is division, addition, of, subtraction and multiplication. So out of all these, you need to solve this first, because brackets we have already solved. Then the turn comes of. So all other things I am writing similar. 12 of 3, I told you it is 36. Now rest all things we need to write in similar. Now in the next step, what is left? Division, addition and subtraction and multiplication. Now out of these, the first term comes of division. So 28 divided by 14 is 2. Plus 36 minus 7 multiplied by 5. Now in this step, just look at it very much care, with plus, minus and multiplication. So what should I solve first as per the order given? So next is multiplication, because out of these three operations, multiplication we need to solve the first. So I am writing here 7 5s are 35. Okay, and after that addition we need to solve first with 38. We have solved this earlier, we have solved this. Okay, now minus 35, only one operation is there, that is subtraction. So what will we get here? 3. So this is the answer. So in this way we can solve the various questions. Now let us understand the next question of BORDMAS. This question is having, you can see 3 types of brackets. So first of all we need to solve the bracket, but if the many brackets are there, the 3 types of brackets, we have to follow the order of brackets. So you can see here vinculum is the first order to solve, but here is vinculum not present. So first is after vinculum, the next turn is of small bracket. So you can see this is the small bracket. So first of all we need to solve this small bracket. So rest all things you keep same. You need not write or to solve anything, just solve the first, the small bracket. So 7 minus 4 is 3. Whatever given in the bracket, you need to solve that first. 7 minus 4 is 3. So I am writing 3 here and then curly bracket, then square bracket. Now after solving the small bracket, next turn is for the curly bracket. Now you can see in the curly bracket there are of operation also and addition also. So I am keeping the curly bracket here only because to solve this we have to solve whatever given inside. But again here also we need to follow the same BORDMAS rule. Now 4 of 3, should I solve the of first or addition? You can check the order from here. We need to solve the of first and addition later. So 4 of 3 becomes 12 and plus 3. Rest all will be same. Now next turn is, now 12 plus 3, curly bracket, if we solve we have to add this, that is 15 and then square bracket close. Now 210 plus, now the turn to solve the square bracket. So 24 minus 15 you have to do, you will get as 9. Now 210 plus 9, what will be the answer? 290. So now question number 3 students. Now I am solving this question in front of you in which there are all 4 brackets we have taken. To make you understand how we are using the vinculum or the bar also, so I have taken this question for you. Now again the method will be same. First of all I am solving the bracket which is the smallest one, which is the, what is the order? First we need to solve the bar or the vinculum. So where is bar present? Here, 25 minus 25. So what is 25 minus 25? It will be 0. So other things keep the same. Now next step. Now time to solve the small bracket. But what is written in the small bracket? 0 minus 25. So first of all, I am just keeping the bracket as it is and just solving 0 minus 25. It will become minus 25. I am not directly writing it to make you understand, because minus is outside the small bracket and it is also with the 25. So 2 minus are here and here is bracket. So if two subtraction signs are there and one bracket is in between to separate them, it means they are in multiplication. And as I told you earlier, that negative times negative is always positive. So what should I write here? 25 plus 25. In this way we have removed the small bracket also. Now turn to remove the curly bracket. So 25 minus 25 minus this 25 plus 25 will become 50. Subtraction sign is same as it was outside. Now bracket close. So 25. Now time to solve the square bracket. So 25 minus 50. It is positive, it is negative. What will we get? Minus 25. So I am keeping the square bracket as it is and this subtraction sign. So subtraction, this is also minus sign. Negative times negative is always positive. So 25 plus 25 we get here. And finally what will be the answer? 50. Students, now let us start solving this question. This is question 6 of your worksheet. We have done question 1, 2 and 3. 4th, 5th you can do yourself, and to make you understand I am doing here question number 6 of 4th mass worksheet. Now in this question, similar method only we going to use. You can see here the smallest one, the order of bracket we need to follow, the vinculum. First of all we need to solve. So all other numbers I am writing. 17 minus 9 is what? It's 8. So solving first of all the brackets, and the first order of bracket is to solve the bar or the vinculum. That's why I have solved it first, then minus 3. All three brackets close, small and then curly in the square. Now the next step is to solve the small bracket. Rest all things I am writing same. Now 8 minus 3 is 5. So we can write 5 here. So small bracket removed by solving. Now turn to solve the curly bracket. So this is the curly bracket. Inside 29 minus 5, what will we get? We will get 24. Okay, so we have removed curly bracket by solving it. Now 39 subtraction. Now I am not removing the big bracket or the square bracket right now. I am just solving it because I know we will get the negative number here. So why I am not removing? So that we will not overlook the negative signs. So negative times negative equals to positive. So 39 plus 1 it will come. Now I have removed the square bracket. Okay. So answer is 40 here. Now question number 8, student, let us start solving it. You can see here there is small bracket present. So first of all we solve the brackets, and in brackets first of all small bracket. So rest all things I am writing same, not solving the square bracket. Now 18 minus 6 is 12. So I am writing it first. Now time to solve the next bracket. But there are many things, many numbers, many operations inside the square bracket. So following the same BODMAS rule here also, okay, to solve it. So I cannot remove directly the square bracket. Now inside the bracket there is subtraction sign, division and off. So out of these three, which one should I solve first? The order is of off, means we need to solve this first. So other things I am writing same. Now 3 of 2 becomes 6. Then 12 divided by 4. Now also keeping the square bracket same. Now subtraction and division, two signs are here. What should I do first? I need to solve the division first. So now 6 2s are 12. Like this we can write. Now 72 minus 2 is left in the square bracket. So only the one operation is here. So we can directly remove the big bracket and we can remove the square bracket and we can solve whatever it is inside. 72 minus 2 is 70. Now plus 12 divided by 4. Now you can see there is plus and division, two operations. So which division should I solve first? Which operation should I solve first? Is division only. So 70 plus 3, because 12 divided by 4 is 3. So 70 plus 3 is 73. In this way we can get the answer. Now question number 9, students. This is the statement I am solving in front of you. 1800 divided by 10 multiplied by curly bracket will come here, because we need to solve the brackets. But why I have not solved the curly bracket first? Because the small bracket is also present inside the curly. So first of all we solve the small bracket. So 12 minus 6 is 6 only. 24 minus 12 is 12. Okay. Now 1800 divided by 10, keeping it same, multiplied. Now solving the curly bracket, 12 plus 6, or 6 plus 12 becomes 18. Now division and multiplication both are here. So what should we solve first? First of all we need to do the division, okay? Because division comes first, multiplication later. So we will get here 180, then multiplied by 18. So solving it, what will we get? We get here 3240 as answer. Students, I have written question number 11 also. I will tell you both simultaneously. First of all, let us do question number 10. How to do this? There are one type of bracket only, that is small, but there are two operations in each bracket. So we need to go to solve first these operations. So I am keeping the small bracket same, and now 6 multiplied by 3, and here 3 plus 2. So which operation should I solve first? When you check here, you can see multiplication is first and addition is later. So first multiplication we need to do. So 6 into 3, 18 plus 2. The thing same. Here also the same thing. We are going to solve the multiplication first. So 2 into 3 is 6. Now time to solve this operation and solve this bracket as well. 18 plus 2 is 20. Now divided by 4 plus 6 is 10. So in this way 20 divided by 10. And the answer will come here. Here is 2. Okay. So this is very easy. The question number 10. Now let us solve the next question. 96 divided by 12 plus 14 multiplied 12 plus 8 in the brackets divided by 3. Now you can see here only one type of bracket, that is small. So let us solve this first. This is a small bracket. So inside it 96 divided by 12. So whatever is inside we solve it. So that will become 8. Okay, 12 8s are 96 plus 14 multiply. Now I will solve this bracket. 12 plus 8 is 20, then divided by. Now in this complete you see 3 operations are here: addition, multiplication and division. So first of all the term comes for the division. So 8 plus 14 multiplied by 20 divided by 2 will become 10. Now next is we solve this, because term of multiplication operation is here. To solve first, now it will become 140. Finally we get the answer 148. In question number 12, let us start solving it, students. So here you can see the brackets are present and only one type of bracket, that is small. So we are going to solve it. 93 plus 15. So what will we get here? Having 3, 8, 9 and 1, 10. So it will be 108. Then divided by 3 of 4. 3 of 4 is 12. So second small bracket also we have solved, and then rest on I have written same. Now here you can see 3 type of operations: addition, subtraction and division. So first of all we need to solve the division operation. So 108 divided by 12 will become 9, and rest is this. Okay, now this question, either solve this first or solve this first. This is one and the same thing. You know why? Because you can consider this as a negative integer and maybe there is addition sign in between. Okay, here also it is addition, or 9 and 8 also you can say solve as plus sign is also here, plus is also here. So in any method you can solve it, no differences here. Okay, so I am solving 9 minus, if I am solving it, okay, not putting any sign here first of all, minus 24 plus 8. So what we need to do to get the answer? We need to subtract 8 from 24. Fine, because different signs, so difference we need to take. So the difference will get 16. And what sign will come here of the big numeral? Okay, the greater numeral, that is 24. So subtraction sign. So 9 minus 16. Now again the different signs. Okay, this is plus sign. Different signs means we need to take the difference only. That is 7. But what sign will come here in front of 7? Of the bigger numeral. So negative. So it's minus 7 is the answer.